Mabuhay! Thinking of starting a GCash Cash In or Cash Out business in the Philippines, or maybe you already have one. While this business can provide a steady source of extra income, it also attracts scammers looking to take advantage of unsuspecting agents. In this video, I'll share 5 simple but essential tips that can help protect your money and keep your GCash business safe. Let's get started. 1. Verify before cash. Never hand over cash until you've confirmed that the money has actually been received in your GCash app. Don't rely on screenshots, SMS notifications, pending transaction excuses. Always open your GCash app and check that your balance has increased. If the money isn't there yet, don't release the cash. 2. Keep your phone. Never let customers hold or operate your phone. Some scammers may scan a different QR code, switch transaction screens, attempt unauthorized transactions. Always keep your phone in your hands and enter your MPIN yourself. 3. Protect your MPIN and OTP. Your MPIN and OTP are confidential. Never share them with anyone, even if they claim to be from GCash. GCash will never ask for your MPIN, OTP, or verification codes. Also, avoid clicking suspicious links sent through text messages, emails, or social media. 4. Be alert on large transactions. Be extra cautious with unusually large cash-out requests, especially from first-time customers. Warning signs include customers who are rushing you, inconsistent or suspicious stories, someone else supposedly sending the money. If something doesn't feel right, to trust your instincts. It's better to decline a suspicious transaction than lose your hard-earned money. 5. Don't be a middleman. Never allow strangers to use your GCash account to receive or transfer money. Avoid lending your GCash account, letting others receive funds through your account, processing transactions you don't fully understand. If the money is linked to fraudulent or illegal activities, your account could be reported, investigated, or even suspended. Bonus tip: install a CCTV camera facing your transaction counter. If a customer later disputes a transaction or claims they never received the cash, CCTV footage can serve as valuable evidence to protect both you and your business. Remember this golden rule: no confirmed payment, no cash release. Following these simple tips can help you avoid the most common GCash Cash In/Cash Out scams and protect your hard-earned income. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more GCash and other government service tutorials. Thank you for watching and stay safe.